All right, so when you get your drone, this is your controller, and you're going to notice that you've got two toggles on the bottom. You kind of just pull them out by basically sticking your fingernail in there and just pulling it, and then they come out. And you put them in here, just righty-tighty, and lefty-loosey, you know, that's how you get them in and out. All right, and so basically this is what you steer with and you launch your drone with. This side here, to go up, you press this way. To come down, you press that way. If you press to the right, it will rotate where it's standing in a circle. If you press it left, it'll rotate clockwise. Press it right, rotates counterclockwise. On here, this is a directional, goes forward. And when I say forward, I mean wherever the camera is, it's going to go that direction. So if you've got it facing this way, it's going to go this way. This way it goes backwards, it goes sideways. And depending on the attitude of the drone, it's going to go, you know, in the direction that you have it pointed. Now, if you look, they also give you you get two extra ones that come with the drone. So you can use those too. So, you know, if you can put them in here if you want, just like that. And they're basically the exact same size. It's just in case you lose one. So they do give you 4 of these. And that's how they go in, just like that. To get them out again, you just kind of pull it, push it, pull it, and push it. And what I do to get them out, I just twist them, just like that. Take them both out. And then you want to save these. You know, you don't want to lose them. So what I do is I go ahead and put them in my case. I just drop them down right here, and they're in there, and they're not going anywhere. And then that's it. That's how you do your toggles on there. Now, if you're really good, you could actually move it with your fingers. You wouldn't even need the toggles. But it has a tendency to kind of slip out of your fingers. So I recommend using these. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the DJI Mini 2 drone. Peace out.